unboxing smoothie slime today.
Okay.
Oh, there's balls. You see? It's glitter.
Really?
Yes, I can open it.
You need help?
Yeah, I need help. We're gonna open the slime that Joe gave me.
Awesome.
Oh.
It's very slimy?
Yes, very slimy. Okay, let me see. So yes, very slimy. So yes, I want to put it on the table.
You want to put it on the table? Okay.
So yeah, yes. I'm gonna stick.
Nice.
We're gonna put some whipped cream. It's like glitter. And let's put it. Can I toss it? The cherry. Can I squish it?
Yes.
Sticky. I see the cherry.
Yes, I see the cherry too.
It's so beautiful.
It is beautiful.
It's like glitter. This slime is so cool.
It is cool. You want to put it all together into one pile and put the cherry up on top?
Yes. It's gonna be fun for me, I would say. Oh yeah. I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm gonna play with this slime. I want to make a big bubble.
Let's make a big bubble.
I don't know how.
I don't know how to either. How do you make bubbles?
Bubbles.
With slime.
I want to put out the cherry.
Put the cherry.
Ouch. I want to put it out.
Okay, put it out on the side.
And the size I need. This glitter is so beautiful.
It is.
It's like French fries.
It's like French fries?
Glitter French fries.
Little French fries?
Glitter.
Glitter French fries?
Yes. Oh. And it's red. It's red. I want to make red because I love red color.
Yes, red is your favorite. Like the cherry.
Yes. Not the cherry, it's the ball.
Like the little ball. Why don't you put it in the little cup?
Why?
Like a smoothie.
A smoothie? Can I leave it in my hands? Yeah?
Mhm.
Okay. Like a little smoothie. It's gonna be a little smoothie.
Yes.
It's a lot of slime.
Mhm.
Spit it like that. Yeah, here in the box. This my box. I need to put another box. Okay. Here, here, and here, and here. All over.
It's very slimy and messy. Yeah?
Yes. I can leave it like that.
No, I think you need to finish your smoothie. Put in everything.
I'm finishing my smoothie. You know how it's sticky.
That's super sticky.
Super sticky. You know, this glitter is so beautiful.
Mhm.
Now we're gonna add the seaweed. It's falling down. So yeah.
Was that fun?
Yes.
Too sticky?
Yes, too sticky. When
Very
it was
sticky.
out. It's slime here. It's washy. Bye.